Hello viewers, my name is Manik Krishna Stogi. I am a digital marketer. In today's video I will tell you about Google Sandbox. Guys, I want to clear you here a thing that Google Sandbox is also calling as Google Sandbox effect. Google Sandbox is a parameter of Google to give a rank to a new domain website. Most of us know very well that Google give preferences to those websites who have great authority, whose TAPA is good, whose content is unique and have quality backlinks. So guys, in the absence of these all things, if you make a new domain website and you think that your website will grow as soon as possible, then it maybe not happen. Reason being because Google have few factors according to which it will analyze your website and find that your website is how much old, how much unique content, what kind of quality backlinks your website have, and many other factors also. So guys, in today's video I will describe you what is Google Sandbox, how to analyze your website is in Google Sandbox, and what kind of techniques you should use to prevent your website from Google Sandbox. As soon as possible your website will get a good rank on Google search pages. So guys, let's go to our computer screen where I will show you how to do that process. And guys, if you didn't see my previous videos till now in which I cleared you about what is digital marketing, what are the basics of digital marketing, how to analyze your competitors backlinks and much of content also. Guys, if you didn't see those videos, then I have given the link of all my videos in I button, which is available on the right side of my screen. Click on the I button and watch my complete tutorial. So guys, let's begin to our today's video. Hey viewers, now we have come on our computer's screen where I will teach you about Google Sandbox with the help of a PPT. Now guys, we are moving on our PPT. Guys, if we talk about Google Sandbox, then Google Sandbox is a doubtful filter which work is to prevent new websites to rank. It means if you will make your new domain website, then you will feel that your website is not getting rank after completing all the SEO efforts on your website. Guys, that happen because in initial time of your new domain website, Google keep your website in Google Sandbox or in Google provision time. This theory first comes in 2004 when many SEO experts or webmasters felt that their new domain site were not getting ranking after completing all SEO efforts on their website. Guys, if we talk about when that algorithm came, I want to clear you that it's not a Google approved algorithm. Google didn't accept that algorithm till now. That is only a imaginary algorithm considering by SEO efforts or webmasters. Actually, that theory came first in 2004 when many SEO experts or webmasters felt that their new domain website were not getting ranked after completing all SEO efforts on their website. So that the theory came first in 2004. Generally, most of the people accepted this theory that the work of this algorithm is to prevent poor content to rank. This theory also applies to new websites and helps Google to find which one website should get rank or not. Actually guys, Google keep your website or blog in provision time or Google Sandbox in initial time because Google want to find that your website have unique content or not, as well as Google also find that your website have quality backlinks, what is the authority of your website, and there are so many other factors also which Google expect from your website. When you will follow all the factors and complete the provision time given by the Google to your website, then maybe your website will come out as soon as possible from Google Sandbox. Now if we move on our second one slide, which is about how to find website in Sandbox. Actually guys, no one tool is available in market with the help of which you can find that your website is in Google Sandbox or not. But because you have completed proper on page and off page on your website, but website didn't rank. Let's suppose if you made a new domain website, you have done all the SEO efforts on your website, you have done a good on page on your website, you have done a good off page on your website, you have made quality backlinks on your website, but after completing all the SEO efforts your website is not get ranking. Along with it, when you try to find your website ranking on another search engines like Bing or Yahoo, then you are finding that your website is getting rank on Bing or Yahoo search engines but not getting ranking on Google. It is a perfect proof that your website is in Google Sandbox. Now if we move on our third one slide, which is about how to remove website from Google Sandbox. Guys, as I told you before few times, that if you follow all the factors, then maybe your website will come out as soon as possible from Google Sandbox. So now we are talking about what are the factors which you should apply on your website. If we talk about our first one factor, which is write unique content. If you are uploading a unique content on your website, you didn't copy paste any other website content, or you didn't spin any other website content and upload it on your website, then there are highly chances that your website will get ranked as soon as possible. Now if we talk about our second one point, which is about make a responsive blog or website. Guys, if you are making a blog or website, then you should keep a thing in your mind that your website should be responsive. Let's suppose if a user don't have desktop or don't have tab, but he or she have a mobile phone and he or she want to access your website on his mobile phone, but your website is not opening correctly on his or her mobile phone, due to which your website's user interaction time will be affected. So guys, you should work on your website's responsiveness. Now if we talk about our third one point, which is do proper on-page SEO on your website. Guys, if your website is not looking attractive, if a user is coming on your website and he or she is seeing that your website is not looking attractive and your website format is very old and the interface of your website is not easy to use, it means there also will be highly chances that user will go out from your website as soon as possible, which can also affect your website ranking on Google search pages. Now if we talk about our last and fourth one point, which is make quality backlinks. Guys, let's suppose if you have completed on-page or SEO on your website, you have made a attractive website or blog, you have uploaded unique content on your website, and you have followed all the SEO efforts on your website, but you didn't make quality backlinks, then there will be major chances that your website will not get ranking on Google search pages. Reason being because Google wants that your website get relevant backlinks to your niche with another high DAPA websites. When Google crawlers will come on your website and then they will see that your website is getting high quality backlinks from the relevant high DAPA niche website, then they will give the instructions to Google that your website should get good ranking on Google search pages. Now guys, we are moving on our fourth one slide, which is about conclusion. Actually guys, I want to clear you a thing that maybe you have done all the SEO efforts on your website, but after completing all these SEO efforts, your website is not getting ranking on Google. It means your website is in Google probation time, and nobody can't say that how much time your website will take to come out from Google Sandbox, because that kind of problem also faced by many SEO experts or webmasters, and they also don't know more about that how much time their website will take to come out from Google Sandbox. So you should keep patience till the time your website is not getting ranking on Google search pages. And I want to clear also a thing that maybe your website can take few months time to come out from Google Sandbox. So guys, I hope in my today's video I have cleared all your doubts regarding Google Sandbox, and now you have clear imagination about Google Sandbox, that how Google Sandbox work and what kind of factors you should follow to bring out your website as soon as possible from Google Sandbox. Now guys, I want to tell you that if you really want to find that kind of other informational videos also like this, then please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, so that whenever I will upload my next informational video, you will get the notification of that video first. Along with it, I want to tell you that if you didn't watch my previous videos in which I detail you that what is digital marketing, what are the basics of digital marketing, what is the right way to find your competitor backlinks in free, how to do keyword research, if you didn't see those videos, then I have given the link of my all videos in I button. So guys, click on I button and watch my previous videos also. Guys, we will meet soon in our next one informational video like this, and till the time, thank you very much for watching my today's video. Signing off, Digital Manik.